Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol PRPM. We'll take a look at the 60-minute time frame. Before I get started, I want to first direct your attention down here to my private trading group. What it is, it's a group of traders from advanced down to beginners, and it's an environment where we share trade ideas with each other, bounce ideas off one another, and I send out my personal scans and watch lists to the private newsletter. Then we also have a live chat room that's open 24/7. During the market hours, you can hang out with me and other traders, stay on top of market movers, market events, market bouncers, all that good stuff in real time. Very profitable environment, very efficient environment when you think about all the eyeballs that are working together to scan the markets. And then when you think about that it costs less than 1 cup of coffee per week, I think it's a pretty darn good value for your money. If anything, don't take my word for it. Click up there, read some of the testimonials, and get a good third-party perspective on what the group is all about. So here we are looking at PRPM. I've never done this one before, but I've had questions and requests coming on it the past few days, and I can see why. 000, that's been doing what I like to call the stair-step pattern, and that's pretty much what this video is going to revolve around. I should note that this is the hourly, meaning instead of each one of these bars representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 1 hour's worth. I wanted to do this time frame because it does the best job of showing this stair-step pattern that I already referred to. So really that's the name of the game, and the stair-step pattern is something that the 000s do just because every single level is usually a support and resistance. And you know, case in point right here, going into the end of the day today, 0006 is the current level of support. Before that, down here at 0005. And then before that, you can see down here at 0004. I think the best way to look at it is just kind of, if somebody's walking up the steps, take the step, take the step, take the step, take the step. That's what it's all about. And in order to do that, the price just has to keep pushing above these previous levels of resistance, which then in return to turn into support. So that's just basic technical analysis there. So essentially, each one of these levels are going to be levels of support. However, I will say, I'm going to call this level right here at 0005 more of a kind of a must-hold type support level. You know, if this current move has any chance at continuing its run, then I'm going to say, you know, 0005 should be able to hold, because if you think about it, you know, if this is a truly strong move that's taking shape, if the price were to drop down here, then you know, people should be drooling just to get their hands on shares. So I'd use 0005 as kind of the make or break level to measure, you know, just how strong this current move really is, just how strong the current stair-step formation is. So that's what I'd use 0005 for. In terms of resistances, very straightforward, just up here, 0007, you can see that's what's been knocking down the price. So that is the current level of resistance. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, again, check out my private trading group. Hopefully I'll see you in the live chat this upcoming week. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend.